Hello, welcome back to Talk with Spake.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here with us today. I'm Lily.
And I'm Noah. So,
Let's start.
On this channel, we help you practice real, simple, everyday English in a fun and natural way.
And today's topic is a very sweet one. We are going to learn how to talk about your family in English.
Yes, family vocabulary is super important. You can use it in conversations at school, at work, with new friends, everywhere.
Before we begin, please take just 1 second and like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to Talk with Spake for more easy English lessons.
Thank you so much. It really helps us.
All right, Noah, I'm ready. Let's talk about family.
Let's do it. So, Lily, how are you today?
I'm good. A little emotional, actually.
Emotional? Why?
Well, last night I was looking at some old family photos. My mom sent me a big album, so I spent the whole evening remembering things. It made me smile and a little tearful.
Oh, that's sweet. Old family photos always hit the heart. Did you find a funny picture?
Oh, yes, there's a picture of me at maybe 6 years old. I'm wearing a huge hat and holding a big spoon like a microphone. I look like a tiny singer.
Laugh softly. That sounds adorable. I want to see that photo someday.
Maybe. But what about you, Noah? How are you today?
I'm great. Actually, this morning I talked to my little sister on a video call. She's younger than me, but she talks like she's the boss of the house.
Oh, one of those younger siblings.
Yes, she said, Noah, you need to drink more water. Your skin looks tired. Wow, okay. Thank you, doctor.
That's so cute. Siblings are always honest.
Too honest sometimes.
So, since we're already talking about our families, this is the perfect moment to begin today's topic.
Exactly. Let's start with the basics. When we talk about family, we usually begin with the people who live closest to us.
Yes, like mother, father, sister, brother.
Right. So, Lily, tell us about your family. Who is in your family?
Well, my family is not very big. I live with my mom, my dad, and my younger brother. My brother is 14, and he thinks he's very cool, but he's actually extremely silly.
That sounds like every 14-year-old ever.
True. What about you, Noah? Who is in your family?
My family is a little bigger. I have my mom, my dad, 2 sisters, and 1 older cousin who lives with us. So the house is always noisy.
A loud house means a warm house.
Exactly.
Okay, but let's break it down slowly for the viewers so everyone can learn how to describe their family step by step.
So, Lily, when you talk about your family in English, you usually start with, I live with, or my family has. It's a simple and natural way to begin.
Exactly. For example, I can say, I live with my mom, my dad, and my younger brother. Very easy. Very clear.
Yes, and I can say, my family has 5 people. My parents, my 2 sisters, and my cousin.
5 people. That's a nice size. Who is the oldest in your family?
Definitely my cousin. She's 28, and she acts like the second mother of the house.
Wow. Every family has that one person who gives advice to everyone.
Yes, she gives advice even when nobody asks. But she's kind. If someone is sad, she notices immediately.
Aw, she sounds really sweet. What about your parents? Are they strict? Friendly?
My mom is very warm and soft. She laughs a lot. My dad? He looks serious, but actually he's funny. He tells terrible jokes, but somehow they make us laugh anyway.
That's the power of dad jokes. They're not funny, but they are funny.
Exactly.
Okay, now let me talk about my family. My mom is the calm one. She speaks very gently. If I'm upset, she always says, "It's okay, Lily. Take a deep breath."
Aw, that's so comforting.
Yes, she's like sunshine. My dad is the organized one. He likes everything clean and in order. He even arranges the books by color.
That's very neat. Does it look like a rainbow bookshelf?
Yes, and he's so proud of it. But my brother, he's the complete opposite. He's messy. He leaves socks everywhere.
Oh, no, the sock problem. Classic younger brother behavior.
Exactly. But he's sweet too. He pretends he's cool, but actually, he's very kind. Last week, he brought home a flower for my mom, just because.
That's adorable. He sounds thoughtful.
He is. So even though my family is small, it feels full of love.
I like that. Families don't need to be big to be warm.
Noah, do you have a big extended family?
Yes, very big. I have many aunts, uncles, and lots of cousins. When we meet at holidays, it feels like a small festival.
That sounds so fun. My extended family is smaller. I have 2 aunts and 1 uncle, and I have 3 cousins.
Do you see them often?
Not very often. Everyone lives in different cities, but we video call. And when we meet, we talk for hours.
Yes, that's the best part. Even if you don't meet every week, you still feel connected.
Talking about grandparents, what about your grandparents, Lily? Are they close to you? Very close. I love my grandparents. My grandmother is 72, but she has more energy than all of us. She cooks, she gardens, she remembers every birthday.
That's so sweet.
My grandfather is the storyteller. He tells the same stories every year, and we still listen like it's the first time.
Grandparents' stories never get old.
Yes. What about yours?
My grandparents live in another state, so I don't see them very often. But I call my grandmother every Sunday. If I miss the call, she messages me with a sad emoji.
That is so cute. Grandmothers and emojis, the best combination.
She loves emojis. Her favorite one is the heart with sparkles.
Talking about family routines, do you and your family have any special routines?
Yes, we have family movie night on Friday nights. We order pizza, sit on the couch, and my dad always falls asleep during the movie.
Dads do that. My dad also sleeps in the middle of every movie.
Every single time.
In my family, we have Sunday breakfast. My dad cooks pancakes, my mom makes tea, and we sit together for a long time.
That sounds so warm. Family routines make life feel stable.
Yes, they make you feel safe.
So, Lily, while we were talking, we used many simple but super useful English words to talk about family.
Yes, we really did. And now it's a great moment to explain them so our viewers can use these words easily when they talk about their families.
Let's go through the important words one by one.
We use these words many times. Younger means someone who is less old than you. For example, my younger brother is 14.
And older means someone who is more old than you. For example, My older sister is 25.
Very simple. You can say younger sister, older brother, younger cousin, older uncle, anything.
Right. And don't forget, older sounds more natural than more old. Parents means your mother and father together. Just one word.
Yes. Instead of saying my mother and my father, you can simply say, my parents are kind. My parents live with me.
It's a very common everyday word.
Many English learners get confused with this one. A cousin is the child of your aunts or uncles.
Yes, and the word cousin is the same for boys and girls. You don't say cousin brother or cousin sister in English.
Right, just cousin.
Very simple, but very important. Your aunt is the sister of your mother or father. Your uncle is the brother of your mother or father.
And when you talk about them together, you can say, my aunts and uncles live in different cities. We use this word when talking about family routines. Relax means to rest, to feel calm, to do something easy and peaceful.
Yes, for example, I relax by watching movies with my family. My mom relaxes by reading books.
And the feeling is relaxed. I feel relaxed after talking to my grandmother.
We said, I am close to my grandparents. This doesn't mean near. It means emotionally connected.
Exactly. If you say, I am close to my sister, it means you have a good relationship. You share things. You trust each other.
This is a great expression. Your extended family includes your aunts, uncles, cousins, grandparents, and sometimes even more relatives.
Yes, your extended family is everybody outside your main family.
Routine means the things you do regularly, things you repeat in your life.
For example, Friday movie night in Noah's family is a routine.
And Sunday breakfast in Lily's family is also a routine.
We didn't say this word yet, but it is very useful when talking about family. Celebrate means to enjoy a special day together, like birthdays, festivals, anniversaries.
Yes. For example, we celebrate birthdays with cake. My family celebrates holidays together. Support means to help, to be there for someone, to make them feel stronger.
You can say, my family supports me, or I support my brother when he is sad.
So these are some of the most important family words. Very simple, but very powerful for daily English.
Yes. And if you practice using them, you will feel much more confident talking about your own family.
Okay, everyone, now it's time to practice. This is the part that helps you actually speak English. Don't just listen, speak with us.
Yes, say the words with us. Say the sentences with us. It really helps your speaking confidence.
I'll say a sentence slowly, then you repeat it. 1. I have a small family. Repeat it. Nice and slow. 2. My parents are very supportive. Your turn. Great. 3. I am close to my sister. 4. We relax together on weekends. 5. My cousin lives in another city.
Good. Let's do a few more. 6. I usually call my grandmother on Sundays. 7. We celebrate birthdays at home. 8. My family has a weekend routine. 9. My younger brother is funny. 10. My older sister helps me study.
Now let's ask you some questions, just like the master template. You can answer with one sentence or more if you want. 1. Who is the funniest person in your family? 2. What is one routine your family always follows? 3. Who do you talk to the most in your family? 4. What do you like doing together as a family? 5. What is something special about your family?
You can answer your answers in the comments or say them out loud right now. Every answer helps you improve your English.
And now it's time for our favorite part of the video.
Yes, the question of the day. This is where you get to practice real English by talking about your own life.
Okay, here is today's question. Are you ready?
Today's question is, who is the person you are closest to in your family, and why?
It can be anyone. Your mom, dad, brother, sister, cousin, grandmother, anyone.
Maybe you are close to your mother because she understands you, or close to your cousin because you grew up together.
For example, I am closest to my older sister. Why? Because she always listens to me and she makes me laugh even on difficult days.
And I am closest to my younger brother. Why? Because we talk every night and we share the same hobbies. We can be silly together, we can be serious together. He's my best friend.
So now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, who are you closest to in your family and why?
Write just one simple sentence. It doesn't have to be perfect. You are learning, and that is enough.
And remember, we read every single comment. We love learning about your families and your lives.
So don't be shy. Just write it. We are all learning together.
Thank you so much for watching today's lesson. We hope you enjoyed talking about family with us.
If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Talk with Spake so you never miss a new English conversation.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and take good care of yourself.
We'll see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone!